So here we are in sunny Aylesbury, and I thought I'd take the Matrice 4 out today to see how good the zoom is in this nice bright sunshine. So I've taken it up to about 95 metres, and in the distance we've got the Walton Council building, the tallest building in the area. So here we are at 0.1 magnification, just normal view. We go through and we get ourselves to 3 times zoom. You can see the building there in the centre. Go through, now this is 7 times zoom, you can make the outline of the buildings, and that it's got windows. We then go through 14 times zoom, you can see venting from the top, probably from the boilers, and windows and elements of the structure. 28 times zoom, we're getting in well here. You can see on the top there, you've got masts, etc. And you can make out the windows. 56 times zoom, a bit hazy, but still really good. You're getting a sense of there's the items on the roof. You've got the venting, and you've got the masts and other bits of paraphernalia on the roof. And you've got definition in the windows and also the structure. There are 112 times, so we're well into the digital zoom. And you can see it's really, really good. I mean, you can see the dishes and the aerials. And again, that gas venting. And this is from 1.7 kilometers away. In this example, I just wanted to show you the dehazing, which is really good in fog, mist, or in this case, where it's a sunny day and you've got evaporation from the ground, and it's just making objects in the distance a little bit wobbly. So again here, on the Walton Council building, I will zoom in, let's say, to 14%. Okay, actually we'll go to 28% here. And you see, yeah, excellent, it's looking good. Now, when you're in the video mode, what you can do is click on those 3 dots on the side, but what you have to do is you have to switch it off. So switch it off, go to electronic dehazing, and there, as you saw when I put it on auto, the contrast really went up. So I put it on to off, and you'll see you've got a little bit of haziness in the distance. You then put it on to auto, or on, whichever one you want, and it sort of really makes the contrast come out. Refocus it, and there you go. So we zoom in again to 56%. Again, there's good contrast which it adds, it sort of takes out that sort of haziness. So again, if I go back into dehazing, switch it off, and you see there is just that very light grey hazing over the top. That's just because of the sunshine and the water vapour, etc., evaporating from the ground. Again, onto electronic dehazing, and it just really sort of starts to pick things out. So if it was a very foggy day, misty day, then this does help in terms of trying to clarify the subjects that you're looking at.